The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Over by the road.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Well, get a move on.
I'm moving! Just keep me covered, okay?
Guard by the tower, taken care of. Keep moving, make yourself useful. You're walking like you shat yourself. Move!
You hear that? I can hear an engine. They'll see that body.
You can relax because lights are out already.
Good. Well, don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out, okay? Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. Shoot! They know we're here!
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Can you see me?
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot! Trevor? You see me?
Well, get a move on.
I'm moving! Just keep me covered, okay?
Saw a guy by the tower. I shot him. Now keep moving. Hurry it up, Ronnie.
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot!
I already shot the lights, so you can calm down.
Now, don't smoke the guy in the van until he stops and gets out. Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out. You can put him down.
If the man wants to pay his respects, I ain't one to cut that short.
Don't joke. He's right there. Rub him out. He's gonna figure it. Take him before it's too late. He's gonna kill me, man. Please. You should have seen the look on his face. There's a guy coming out of the control tower. Take him out. Shit. You gonna take him?
And they all came tumbling down.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. Clean shot, Trev.
So long, sailor.
Can you get your sights back on me? Come on, man. You got them sights on me?
I got you in my sights, so get a move on and plant that bomb on the gas tank.
I can't. There's someone coming out of that building. I can hear him at that far door. Shit! He's coming out the far door. There's a second guy coming out of the building. Good kill, Trevor. I'm fitting it. Just keep a lookout. And whatever you
always hated that chopper. Just fucking drive. You're bikers.
It's looking for us, T. We ain't gonna get them guns when they got tactical superiority.
If I hit the chopper, everyone's gonna know we're here.
Try and hit the pilot when he's settled. They might think he crashed. Might they?
They might.
Some more ammo!
Plane's in that hangar, man! I'll get the engine running, if you can clear the runway. We can't take off!
Okay, let's just see what we can do about that. Is what they call an aggressive takeover!
Fuck you! I'll keep going down!
I need a little help here. Fucking get it covered!
I'm gonna fist on your fall! Go, man!
I think I saw a man void his bowels.
Happens to the best of us. Now start that plane. Which one of you tracked my model? One dead biker is as good to me as another. Give up the guns and we can be friends again.
You're going nowhere!
Happens to the best of us. Now start that plane. A man's home is sacred.
We're good to go, man. Come on.
Plane's loaded up with crates, Trevor! Just like you said!
Rest of the guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway. Vamos, go! use those explosives?
Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some. Ain't it time to use that bomb? Ain't you gonna use them explosives? Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some.
Get me to that plane! Get me to my plane, Ron! Vamos, go! Let's see what those explosives can do!
Ain't it time to use that bomb?
Let's go, Ronald! Get me to that plane! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Get me to my plane, Ron! Vamos, go! Yeah! This one's for you, perfect jump, Fred! Suppose there's room for a passenger?
Pull up! Pull up! We gotta get off this runway!
The guy who's taking receipt of these guns is in a boat just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor!
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off! Do a roll or something!
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
Oh, there he goes!
Finally, I feel safe.
So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or our other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brethren.
I'd assume you got all kinds of connections in Canada.
Why would you make an assumption like that?
It's obvious.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cargo over the border?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure I was.
Someone's out there and wants us to know it. You think it's the buyer?
It better be. Drop your load.
Military base coming up. Fly low. We don't want to show on their radar.
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow.
Then get better at it, or fly through a barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
You're braver than I thought.
Keep low, over the swamp, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico! Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
We don't have time to dwell on that now, because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries! Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable!
Oh, that's right. Now go. I need to meditate. Or masturbate. Or both.